continue with actually chapter 2, and our big topic is the foods and utensils. How the foods and utensils becomes unkosher. Right? That's very, very interesting. Right? And we said there is two criteria. So it must be done through a medium. Right? Some medium. It must be some liquid, water or another liquid, or fatty medium. Okay. So basically from here we see if a dried food, they're not going to transmit the taste. And second, right, the foods must be induced to infuse and absorb the taste through the medium. Okay, so two conditions. Okay, so today we start with part number 1, and topic is how the taste is transmitted. Liquids. The liquid is the most common medium through which the taste is transmitted. When food is cooked in liquid, the liquid is absorbed throughout the food, and transmits the taste into the food. Okay, so it goes through the liquid, I would say from the walls of the utensil into the liquid and into the food. Similarly, the liquid absorbs taste from the food, so right, from liquid to the food and from food into the liquid. Right. 1 second. Just 1 second. Similarly, the liquid absorbs the taste from the food and can transmit the taste to another food. Okay, meaning what? Through the liquid. Another food cooking in the same liquid, or into the vessel in which they're being cooked. So okay, so if you're going to cook some other foods just in a liquid, so you took the solids out. Let's say, what is salad? I would say salad would be piece of meat, right? You took the meat out, and you have this broth, and you cooked your pasta, whatever you cook. So it's going to be for sure a meat pasta, for sure. Is it meat in a pot? There is no meat. There is no meat whatsoever. But the water absorbs the taste of meat. That would be a good example. So first was liquids. Liquids is, everybody understand. It's very straightforward.